The All Progressive Congress APC for Edo State don once again deny all the allegations wey the People's Democratic Party PDP make against the party on Sunday, December 1st, 2024. The chairman of the party, Emperor Jared Tenebe, yarn tori pipo for the party secretariat say although the APC no go normally reply that kind tori, e dey important to clear the air and set the record straight for the people of Edo State. Chairman Tenebe come tok say im wan remind the public of the violent behaviour wey the opposition party PDP show before, during and after the election, and how former Governor Obaseki not talk anything about the killing of Inspector Onu Aku, as well as the anyhow statement wey the former Governor Obaseki and some PDP leaders like Olaye, Chief Francis Inegbeneki and Honorable Matthew Doyekeme make, say Edo State go burn if their party no win the 2024 governorship election.
Despotic press conference orchestrated by the state chairman of PDP, Dr. Anthony Aziegbemi. APC will not have reacted to the hollow, bare-faced and empty press statement in order not to dignify him in his frustrated voyage, but just to put the record straight and inform the good people of Edo State of the misleading, factless statement of the never-do-well political party that mismanaged the patrimony of Edo State for good 8 years. It is most important to state that the PDP as a party is still hallucinating over their bogus campaign, which exposed their inefficiency as to the basis of governance after the well-articulated government of distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo has taken over the realm of leadership in the state. Let us situate the facts. The ignoble and violent traits of PDP, which they exhibited before, during, and after the election, are the signposts of imperialistic disposition, which the Edo people shall never pray to experience. But as their acts were, the oligarchous then Governor Obaseki never saw anything wrong with it. Instead, the PDP lived and savored the violent act which culminated in the killing of Inspector Ako and the unguarded statement of the then Governor Obaseki and his co-travelers like Mr. Olaye, Chief Francis Inegbeneki, and Honorable Matthew Doyekeme that Edo State will burn if their party is not declared winner of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election.
Tenebe Constitute talk say PDP don't start to criticize the government of Senator Monday Okpebholo, even though this government don't do past wetin Governor Obaseki do for 8 years. He come also talk say the criticism from PDP chairman Dr. Tony Aziegbemi now why the party fail under Obaseki leadership. Tenebe Koya and say the 2024 appropriation law for Edo State don't capture the flyover project for the budget, and this project wey dey urgent and important na something wey Edo people receive well.
PDP still celebrating their failure has now embarked on a self-destructive voyage to criticize the government of distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo that has surpassed the non-achievement of Governor Godwin Obaseki 8 years, having just been in office for a few days. As it relates to the baseless criticism by the PDP of His Excellency Monday Okpebholo's flyover project, the poignant display of inadequate information about governance by Dr. Aziegbemi shows why the PDP failed when Obaseki was in government. The chairman of PDP in Edo State, Dr. Aziegbemi, only demonstrated that he has no iota of knowledge of the implementation of the Revised Appropriation Law 2024 of Edo State. Legally speaking, the project flyover can be captured in the open-ended parentheses of the budget, which accommodate for projects of explicit and urgent importance. It is also emphatic enough to state that the flyover project, which was well received by the Edo State people, even by those in the PDP that their chairman seek to represent, cannot be faulted to have not been critically embellished under project of urgent social economic importance to the state. It is instructive to note that Dr. Aziegbemi's knowledge of modern democratic practices is laced with failure and ineptitude disposition. Edo people are now happy that a governor who understands their plight and is ready to tackle them head on has come, and they now know that what the PDP government termed impossible projects, like the flyovers, are realizable by a government that is determined to work and not believe in MOUs, which only existed on papers.
The APC chairman come also deny say the party attacked the PDP secretariat and come demand say make the PDP show proof for all the allegations. A court talk say Governor Okpebholo dey ready to put Edo State for the map of progress and come also call on the security agencies to investigate where the PDP gets the manipulated BVAS wey dem use during the election, so the APC discover say some BVAS machine dey government house and dem send them to INEC through PDP.
It is most disgusting for the PDP to ascribe the criminal destruction that happened in their moribund secretariat to the APC, while the APC government of His Excellency Monday Okpebholo condemned any act of criminal tendencies like the alleged destruction of the PDP secretariat. It must be stated without equivocation that the said alleged act has no bearing with the APC. Under criminal laws, there is no vicarious liability. Every and any person is criminally liable for any act committed by him. There are no relics of the APC on whoever may have carried out the act. Neither has any person been arrested that make any statement of any connection to the APC. The allegation, which is criminal in nature, requires proof beyond all reasonable doubt on the part of the person making the allegation. Therefore, we require the PDP to substantiate the allegations with undisputed facts so that the allegation should not remain in the realms of suspicion, which has no space in our criminal statutes. The PDP must know that His Excellency, Distinguished Monday Senator Okpebholo, has put his hand on the plow and is ready to put Edo State in the map of progressives. We must acknowledge the very distorted way the said press statement was put and presented by the PDP chairman, which only a testament to the bereavedness of the issue they intended to canvass. Furthermore, the party viewed this serious concern, the issue of compromised BVAS machine, which is ascribed to Edo State governorship election. It is important to restate that the fact that the issue of compromised BVAS machine was raised with almost emphasis by the APC when we discovered that some BVAS machines were being manipulated, were housed at government house, and be transmitted to INEC office by the PDP. It is therefore imperative to state that while Dr. Osita Chidoka pontification was half-truth, what then is obvious is that there is no clear fact as to the BVAS machine is complaining about. We state unequivocally that there are two sets of BVAS machines in INEC office, the one legitimately used by INEC for the election and the manipulated machine that were smuggled into the office of INEC by the PDP. We therefore now, more than ever before, call on the security agencies to investigate where the PDP got manipulated BVAS machine from which they are circulating fake results, since same have been acknowledged in the public space. We use this medium to thank the Edo people once again for the confidence reposed on APC led by His Excellency Monday Okpebholo to liberate Edo State from the stronghold of dictatorial tendencies of the PDP. We assure Edo people of our unallowed readiness to deliver on our campaign promises.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.